You count to 9, run out of digits, and write 10. Computers do exactly the same thing. They just run out of digits at 1. Binary is counting with just 2 digits, 0 and 1. Same rules, but each place is worth double, not 10 times more. Watch both count together. 0, 1. Now binary is out of digits, so it carries 10. 1, 1. Carry again, 1, 0, 0. Every number you know is in there, just written with more digits. Reading binary is just adding. The places are worth 8, 4, 2, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1 means 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. Add the places where a 1 appears. That's it. Here's the party trick. Make each finger a bit, and one hand counts not to 5, but to 31. Two digits, endless numbers. Binary isn't alien math. It's counting doubled.